Founded in 2007, Foshan Anya Medical Technology Company Limited, located in Foshan City of Guangdong, China, is a professional dental equipment manufacturing company specializing in dental unit with 15 years of experience in development, production, and marketing oral instruments. We have established our specialized sales force, R&D team, and manufacturing facilities to continuously sharpen our expertise and improve product quality. In addition to dental unit, we provide one-stop sourcing for your convenience with a mature dental product portfolio. Our core products include dental unit, dental handpiece, oil-free compressor, curing light, dental x-ray, intraoral camera, etc. And we accept OEM and ODM order to deliver best-in-class service and product to our customers. Through constantly providing high-quality products, fast delivery time, best after-sales service for our distributors, we have formed a worldwide business network in more than 20 countries around the world, such as Russia, Ukraine, Southeast Asia, Middle East, etc. Relying on efficient production lines and strict quality control processes, we have obtained many international certification, such as ISO 13485, ISO 9001, and CE certificates issued by SGS. Our goal is to help dentists be more efficient and provide a more comfortable experience for patients. We warmly welcome all of friend and customers to visit our factory, and we are looking for reliable and long-term cooperation distributors.